Welcome to the C-Suite at the Open video series with TMX Group. I'm Karoline Hunter, Head of Company Services based out of Toronto. Joining me today is Jamie Levy, the CEO of Generaton Mining. Welcome, Jamie. Thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me here, and thank you for having Generaton Mining on the TSX.
Great. Let's start with an overview. Tell us about Generaton Mining.
Generaton Mining is a mining company, obviously, listed now on the Toronto Stock Exchange. Thank you for that. We are the largest undeveloped palladium project in North America. From our last resource report, we have over 5 million ounces of palladium platinum in the ground, just almost 500,000 ounces of gold, and over 1 billion pounds of copper in the ground. From our PEA, preliminary economic report that we put out at the beginning of 2020, we had a robust economics of $871 million Canadian, an internal rate of return of 30% at a 5% discount rate. And this was using a palladium price of $1,275 palladium. Palladium is currently trading over $2,000. What most people don't know, it's more valuable than is gold. We are currently progressing with a feasibility report, which we hope to have announced at the beginning of next year, 2021. Generaton Mining, I'd like to mention, has a very strong management and directors team, and who has a proven track record of putting mines into production. And finally, we're just, again, thankful to the TSX because we're a Canadian domiciled company with a Canadian operation trying to develop the next great palladium mine for Canada.
Well, it sounds like there's a great deal of positive momentum happening at Generaton Mining. Looking to the future, though, what can you tell us about some of the catalysts that may positively affect your business?
We're currently completing a geophysical survey right now, which is going to help us into our exploration program, which we hope to start at the beginning of August. From there, we hope to find some more ounces of palladium or platinum or other metals in the ground. We're hopeful that we can have some more high-grade material to supplement our big resource that we've already talked about earlier. But the main thing we're progressing on right now is our feasibility study. As mentioned, that should be complete at the beginning of 2021. From there, we would like to be the next mine built in Canada. So the feasibility is the first step to getting this mine built.
Jamie, the investment community always looks for a summarized value proposition. What are 3 things that you would like to highlight about Generaton Mining?
I would like to highlight, most people don't know what palladium is used for. Palladium is used to clean the air. In essence, they are taking the carbon monoxide from the catalytic converter in the cars and putting it into a cleaner material. So we'd like people to realize that it is a clean metal. Within there, we also have some copper, which is a green metal. So we're a strategic metal with platinum and palladium, and also a green metal in copper. So we'd like the people to realize that this is actually good for the environment. The second value proposition that we would like to talk about is that we're the only Canadian company with a Canadian palladium project. Most of the palladium in the world is coming from South Africa and Russia. I don't know much about the jurisdictions there, but we're in Canada and we're a very safe jurisdiction. We're happy to be in our homeland. And the third value proposition is that we have very, very robust economics, and we're hopeful that we can have this mine built when palladium and the commodity market is trading as well as it is right now.
Thank you for that. Finally, you recently listed on the TSX. What can you tell us about what that listing means to your company and your stakeholders?
We had lots of comments from our investors pre-TSX that they would like us to join the Toronto Stock Exchange, and we joined the Toronto Stock Exchange, and we're very happy, and all of our shareholders and stakeholders are very happy about it. Our motive is to build this mine, and the only way we're going to get this mine built is to be on the Toronto Stock Exchange. So we're very happy to be on this exchange, because I'm sure the bankers and the financiers and the investors taking us to the next step will require us being there, and now we're there, so we have no excuses why we can't get this mine built.
That's a great summary, Jamie. Thank you for that. And it seems to me to be a very compelling mining story. Thank you for joining me today, and we look forward to hearing more from Generaton Mining.
Thank you so much.